Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do this activity. This is the fourth activity of this course, which is course T. I have also uploaded a previous video so you can always go through it. It's on the introduction. Now we are going to do debugging. Debugging is a very important skill that is used in coding. So first, why don't you watch this video and do these exercises. These exercises are very easy and we have done them before in the previous courses. Course A, B, C. Today I'm going to do the challenges with you people so it will be easier for you. As you can see, I've already made the code here, but I'll be explaining it to you. So don't worry about it. So as you can see, my code is completely functional, but now I'll explain it. So first, my first step is move forward, and as you saw that my character moved forward. Then I've written another move forward right over here. So the character will move forward again, as you can see. Then it will collect the gem 1 as instructed and the gem 2 as instructed. Then it will be turning towards its left. It will move forward as it's written over here, then turn left and then move forward again, as you can see. Now it needs to collect the 2 gems. So that's why I've put the collect code. And it is working. Then it will move forward, then left, then it will move forward 3 times as it's written in the code right over here. 1, 2 and 3. So let's see it. 1, 2 and 3. So that part of my code is working. Then it will be collecting the gems twice as instructed. In this activity, it's also good if you can get 6 gems. Why don't you try a different code and not use mine? That way you'll know if you're good at coding or not. Then it turns right, forward, left, and forward again, and then collects. You can always challenge yourselves to collect 8 gems instead of 6, but 6 is also good enough. Now, I move to the next one. The 8th one is also a hard one, so that's why I'll be doing it with you. As you can see, right now it looks very easy, just going inside a square. But this time we need to pick 3 gems here, 2 gems here and 1 gem here. And we need to pick every single one as there are 6 in total because 3 plus 2 equals to 5 and 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So let's see if it works and then afterwards if it works, then I'll explain it. So my code is working. Now I'll just show you the steps by going back to the 8th one. So look, as I've written here, it needs to go forward. It's going forward. Then it needs to collect the gem once, twice, and thrice. Then it turns to the left as it does in a normal square. Then it again needs to move forward. And you can always make it turn left over here. Like I can always add left over here and take it out from the last. This thing will still work. So then it turns, collects again. Like now it's going to follow my previous code as I need to reset. And then it goes forward again and in the last I've only written 1 collect. So it won't be collecting more than it is necessary. Now why don't you challenge yourself to the 9th quiz and have fun!